Welcome again to the Vedic Mystics channel. In this video, we will explore the conjunction of Moon and Venus in Taurus. This is part of a special series looking at unique conjunctions of two grahas where one is exalted and the other is in its own sign. There are only six such possibilities. In the case of Moon and Venus in Taurus, Moon is exalted and Venus is in its own sign. Different astrological texts cover the results that one can expect when two grahas are together in a sign. When both grahas are strong, we would expect the full impact of such results. In Saravali, a person with Moon and Venus combination in any sign will be endowed with flowers, incense, and clothes. The native will perform their duties and be dear to their race. The person will also be lazy and an expert in buying and selling. In Jataka Bharana, this combination makes one deal with textiles, have vices, be of good conduct, and like good clothes. In Jataka Parijata, this combination makes the person evil minded and clever in making bargains. Therefore, we see that this combination of two female and benefic grahas, Moon and Venus, gives more positive results than negative ones. On the positive side, the native owns and likes fine things like clothes, performs their duties, is patriotic, and is a great negotiator. On the negative side, the native is lazy and conniving. Based on these attributes, feels like fine things come easily to a person with this combination. This may account for the addition of lazy in the list of attributes as well. Also, there are repeated references to someone who is good at bargaining and negotiating. You can almost picture a diplomat with fine clothes as the archetype of this combination. Now, let us look at a few example charts with Moon and Venus in Taurus. The first is that of Conrad Hilton Jr. In his chart, the combination is in the first house with the first lord. This indicates that the results are visible in his personality. Conrad Jr. was born into great wealth. His father was the founder of Hilton Hotels. He was a playboy, having relationships with a number of actresses. He was Elizabeth Taylor's first husband, although the marriage lasted less than a year. He did, however, take over executive positions in the family business. He expanded the hotel chain internationally, managing Hilton's international operations. He also bought the San Diego Chargers in the 1960s. Next, we look at King Frederik X of Denmark. The current King of Denmark, which he took over from his mother in January of 2024. King Frederik X was also born into wealth, and the attributes of fine things and diplomacy go hand in hand with being a prince and a king. He has taken over his family duties and is loved in his country. The conjunction in his chart is in the sixth house, which shows that he will use his negotiating skills to deal with his enemies. Lastly, we look at the chart of Lionel Messi. Like Conrad Hilton Jr., Moon and Venus are in his first house, with the First Lord. The results of this combination will therefore show in his personality. He is one of the highest paid and most popular sports stars. He partners with Adidas and has his own brands that sell apparel. He has made big deals with Adidas, Apple, Saudi Arabia's tourism industry, and Inter Miami. He is also loved in his country. Thanks for watching this video. If you have this combination or know someone who has this, please share your thoughts in the comments section.